baby's bathtub can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Watch this video to know how to clean your baby's bathtub quickly and easily by using safe and effective methods. So, stay tuned. Hi moms, my name is Shweta. I make videos on parenting, pregnancy and baby care. So if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and help me to reach out to 100,000 subscribers. I would love to connect with you. So follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest.
So I'm going to clean this bathtub in simple ways. Let's have a look at them. I'm using Everspring Natural All-Purpose Cleaner. So I have removed the bathtub seat. As you can see, it's dirty. I'm spraying all over the all-purpose cleaner on the bathtub. This is a quick way to clean baby's bathtub. And now you just simply wipe clean it with a paper napkin. You can do so after every bathtub use. But if the baby's bathtub is dirty like this one, then you may need to perform some extra steps. I'm using Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda, which I bought from Kroger. You can use any baking soda available nearby. I'm sprinkling it all over. Then you will need vinegar. I'm using Good & Gather distilled white vinegar, which I bought from the Target. I'm using half glass or little more as I need it. As you can see, this dirt started coming off. So I'm scrubbing it with a scrubber. Next, I'm going to use the antibacterial soap to clean the same. After cleaning it thoroughly, drain the bathtub water. Then rinse it with hot water and make sure that you clean it properly from all sides. Let it air dry either in your bathroom or outside in your balcony or patio. I'm happy with the results and surely try this method and check out the description box for cleaning supplies.
So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And if you have used any of these methods before, then let me know in comments down below.